Mission 2 was great. This was all done in the city. As you can see here, we got on the map that empty spot right there. Well, there you go. City and missile location. We had the U.S. forces spawning back by the border point still, and Cartel was deploying down by the bottom of the river. And the goal was to take the missile and launcher that was found in the city over to the launch site that was on the barrel field. So I started a little late. We had some problems with my AEG. I decided to try to use a new AEG we bought recently to test out, and that test went horribly wrong, and the gun didn't work. So I ran back, and since I already had my mid caps loaded, I grabbed my Elite Force CQB, which, by the way, is a fantastic gun. Has yet to fail me. So this side of the field here, if you can get this building during the game, you can control entrance from the barrels, which we usually use as the warehouse or and whatnot. And what it does is it controls that alleyway getting into the city. And this is a great building to have if you ever come out to ARC to play. It does control that entire entry point. Again, though, if you lose it, you're going to be outgunned for most of it, because that'll just be a floodgate right into the city. So it's kind of a dual-edged sword.
Fuck that magazine. That is the worst high cap I've ever seen, Mike. Oh. Right side, right side. Right side.
Hey, I'm gonna cross, alright?
Yeah, watch that right side. Go, 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 go. Go now. There you go.
Okay, so I went ahead and cut the video because I had some ref and admin stuff to do. And you saw one of my refs, Mike, walking towards me right before I cut that video. So while I was doing that, I got shot, and so I ended up respawning and coming back to the same position I was in before. Like I said, this is a really good control point.
Oh, I see what's going on here. Oh.
Overall, this was a great game. There was a lot of back and forth.
Yep.
We had the guys get the missile up as far as the Connex right in front of the alleyway. Oh wait, correction. They did actually get it into the barrel field, but by the end of it, they just couldn't get the missile set up yet. But overall, I had a great time. There were a lot of honorable players out there, which again I really do appreciate, and the refs were on it. So overall, it was a good time.
Whoops. Okay, watch it, because this guy's cross shooting right here. Guys, if that's it for the barrels, get on that corner. Don't let them have it back. Don't let them have that back. Get those boxes. Let's start clearing the barrel field. Get the stuff we need to win. We don't have a lot of time. No, not on me. Roll with your pistol. You got it, dude.
Alright, so again I had to cut the, or a little bit of the video out. We had some more, admin stuff to do. So at this point, one of the things that the ARC staff does when we play is that we will try to rally everybody up to complete their missions if they're stalled. And that's kind of what we encountered here. We had quite a few of the newer players on our team, and I think the inexperience plus the incoming fire kind of stalled the guys a little bit. So at this point, I'm just trying to get them to move up and set up that bomb so that they can win the game. I think maybe we have at this point 5 minutes, 10 minutes left in the game. Not a lot at all.
I got him in. Go. Get in the barrel field. Go. Come on, guys. Let's push. They can't stop all of us. Not a lot of time left, guys. Let's get that missile in there.
Alright, so just in a few minutes, you'll get a pretty good laugh out of this. I was trying to get everybody rallied up.
There you go.
And managed to get myself shot in the face, standing out in the open. But it was a good shot, and this is just the same. The guy who shot me actually shot between, I think, 2 sets of stand-up barrels and passed that net. It's impressive. Whoever did that, great job.
Oh, ow, fuck. Nice shot, dude.
And there's me not following our no swearing rule at ARC. Okay, so here I am at respawn again, heading back into the city. So the way the game basically finished up was the cartel forces managed to get the bomb and the launch apparatus to the city, or correction, to the barrel field, but they weren't able to set it up by the end of the game. So that would be yet another win for U.S. forces, since the missile wasn't set up to effectively destroy their HQ. And that would pretty much be the way it went down for Game 2. So at this point, U.S. forces, who are representing the Border Patrol, are now 2 games to none.
Don't forget that box, guys. Hey, Frenzy. It looks like they moved up, but they forgot their objective.
What's your objective?
To take the box to the field and set the missile.
Where's the missile?
Right there by the Connex. The speed limit sign's over there.
Yeah, we literally just got to the barrel. Only 2 guys are there right now.
All right, let's reinforce them then. All right, guys. We got guys on the left in the barrels. Let's keep pushing. That's what all we need to do is get the missile to the blue barrels. Guys, I need you to get the sign. I need you and someone else to get that box. Let's move it into the barrels. We're almost there. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Down deep. Hey, I'm coming over.
Good shot. Let him out, let him out. Guys, let's bring him around that bomb. Let's go. Ah, shit. Nice.